Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. So instead of talking about my motorcycle, today we're gonna do a little different. So I know that the reason I want to put this online because I have the problem with my USB port. The one, if you have a Chrysler Pacifica, mine is 2018. If you have a problem with the USB port right here, which is supposed to be you need those for linking the audio port, the audio port, and then the USB. This for the Carplay or or the Google Auto. Then you need to use this USB. But there's a lot of people having problem, including me, that the USB suddenly doesn't work. So when you plug in something, it doesn't recognize on the system. And after 3 years of using my van, one day it's just suddenly it doesn't work. So when I have this problem, I went online and checked it, and I didn't find any video that people actually help you trying to change this. And that's why I put this video up. So if you own a 2018 model Chrysler Pacifica and you have problem with this, if you bring this to a dealer, probably they're going to charge you a couple $100 just to change it. And you can do it by yourself. I mean, the installation is pretty easy and pretty straightforward. And you can buy this thing online for I bought it for $24. So, and here's the part number for it in case you need it. I'm not sure you can see it or not, but I'll put that one in the description if in case you need it. So in able to take it out, so you don't need, some people they don't know, so they take this one out, the bottom part, and then they take the media info, the head unit out, but you don't need to. Basically it's just a lot of clip. So all you need to do is inside right here, do you see the around the corner? So there's this screw right here. You just need to take it out, and all you need to do is just pry it out. So there's a whole bunch of clip, 1 2 3, one on the side, another one on the side, and then 2 at the bottom. So 3 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and 2 on the side. So that's all you need to do, just pry out. You use whatever tool, or flathead or something like that, and you can just pry it out and just pull the whole thing out. And the only screw you need is the middle screw right here on the glove compartment, the top one. Yeah. So when you take it out, it's pretty straightforward. You can easily remove this. So this thing is inserted like this, so basically you can remove it by like have a flathead or something, push this up a little bit, and so you can take it out. So after you got it, so this is the new one I got, and I'll go ahead and put it back in. Put it back in, and you can hear the click. That means it's in. And let me do this. Okay, so after you got that in, you got a little got a wire cable right here, which I wrap it up. I have it right there, so easy to see. So they have 2 cables in the back. One is for the audio and the other one's for the USB. So here. So all you know, you plug it in to the first USB port. So the first one is gonna go in the big block right here, if in case you don't know. It's a one-way plug, so there you go. You plug it in, and for the USB, you plug it into the USB, the first one. This one right here. So let me get that put on. Okay, so both of them put on. So you want to make sure it's working or not. So go ahead and turn on your system. So both of them put on. Turn on your system. I mean your car. Now just plug in the USB port. I have the flash drive right here, the USB flash drive. So just plug it in and see if detect. Alright, just go to media, set no detection. So I put it on right now, and then select. See, it's reading, and try and turn on the volume. So we got a lot of song in here, so see, so it does detect. They'll work now. So since it's working, go ahead and I'll go ahead and turn it off. Turn it off, and it's pretty easy to put it in back inside. Okay, all you need to do is just put it back. Okay, so do this. So make sure everything's in, and make sure you got that in. Oh, and let me get this out. Let's make the thing easier. There you go. And all you need to do is just push it in. There you go. Everything snapped in like it should. And now what you can do is install back this screw that you take it out, this one. And maybe and then you just insert it in. Tight it, and that's it. You're all set. So very easy installation. Like I said, you unscrew that, and what you do is you have a flat head on both sides, and then you just trying to pry it out a little bit. Be careful. I'm trying to do it slowly so you don't damage the side. And then just slowly pry it out each knob right here, the clip, and then you just pull hard out, and that's it. So test it one more time. Turn on the system, turn on the car. Accept. And now you insert the jump drive.
4 p.m. But right now I'm so excited because we're in
Jump drive. Now go to media. So I hope if you have the same problem I am with your Chrysler Pacifica minivan, then if you have the same problem that I am with the USB port and the audio port and it's not working in the front, then that's how you fix it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope you find it useful, because I went online and searched all over the place and I couldn't find a video that showed me how to do this. So that's it, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.